Start shuffling like a freaking badass. Allow me to introduce you to my beginner shuffle workshop. It's literally called Start Shuffling Like a Badass. This 2+ hour workshop is perfect for the brand new shuffler who has never tried a shuffle move before but really wants to connect deeper with the music that they love and get a hella good workout. We go over the basics of the Melbourne shuffle, which are the running man and the T-step. We also learn the Charleston and the crisscross or diamond. And of course we go over transitions between moves and combos to really nail those moves down. And of course, it wouldn't be a proper shuffle class if I didn't go over the history of shuffling, the roots of shuffling, and a little bit of background on shuffling so you can deeper appreciate the craft that you are about to start enjoying. I leave you with tips to start getting you shuffling off on the right foot, figuratively, because you can start on your left foot, as well as a whole bunch of playlists that will really help you with your shuffle journey, including some slower BPMs and some more speedy BPMs. This workshop is truly such an incredible way to kickstart your shuffle journey and start you on your path to discovering your inner badass. So if you've been looking for your sign to shuffle or to start shuffling, this is it. Until the end of Cyber Monday, this workshop is going for 50% off on my website, which is just $20, so head on over there, start shuffling like a badass. I cannot wait to shuffle with you one day in person.